In the days leading up to the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, strange atmospheric phenomena were reported, including eerie glows in the sky and unusual animal behavior. Dogs howled incessantly, birds flew in panic circles, and rats abandoned their nests en masse. These unsettling events foreshadowed the catastrophic earthquake that would soon follow. Before the devastating tsunami that hit Japan in 2011, the ocean seemingly receded dramatically, exposing the seabed for miles. This unnatural event, known as a drawback, is a terrifying indicator of the immense power of the impending wave. Fishermen witnessed this unsettling sight before the tsunami struck. Mount Vesuvius's eruption that destroyed Pompeii wasn't an instantaneous event. Days before the ground reportedly swelled, springs dried up, and tremors shook the region. Locals ignored the ominous signs, unaware of the impending catastrophe that would bury their city under ash and lava. The 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens involved a massive landslide, but the preceding weeks were filled with foreboding signs. The mountain visibly bulged, steam erupted from fissures, and an unsettling quiet descended upon the surrounding forest. These subtle changes foreshadowed the cataclysmic eruption that ensued. Strange lights in the sky, often described as eerie glows or shimmering auroras, have been reported prior to major earthquakes. These lights, though not fully understood, could be a result of electrical charges building up in the Earth's crust. Their occurrence is an unsettling harbinger of impending seismic activity. A sudden increase in the frequency and intensity of small tremors is often a prelude to a significant earthquake. These minor shakes are the Earth's way of warning, though often unnoticed or dismissed until it is too late. Animals with their heightened senses often act strangely before a natural disaster. Unusual migratory patterns, strange vocalizations, or panicked behavior can indicate an impending event. The animals, somehow aware of the invisible danger, leave the area. Changes in water levels, both in rivers and oceans, can foreshadow a tsunami or flood. Unexplained rises or falls in water level, coupled with unusual weather conditions, are clear warnings of approaching disaster. In the days preceding Hurricane Katrina, there were subtle environmental shifts. The air felt heavy, the humidity was unusually high, and a strange stillness hung in the air. These changes marked a shift in the atmosphere, foreshadowing the approaching storm. Before major volcanic eruptions, gas emissions often increase. This increased emission of sulfur dioxide or other gases can be detected using specialized monitoring equipment. The rise in gas release is often a key indicator of increased magma pressure beneath the surface. Unusual weather patterns, such as prolonged periods of drought followed by intense rainfall or vice versa, can be indicators of impending natural disasters. These atmospheric inconsistencies signal a disruption in the Earth's weather systems. Ground deformation, such as swelling or subsidence of the land, can be observed before earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. These ground movements are often subtle, but measurable using high-precision GPS systems. Reports of unusual sounds, such as deep rumbling or infrasound, have been linked to seismic events and volcanic activity. These infrasonic sounds are often imperceptible to the human ear, but can be detected by specialized equipment. They often precede catastrophic events. Changes in the Earth's magnetic field have been observed before some natural disasters, though the connection is not fully understood. These subtle shifts could be linked to the release of stress in the Earth's crust. The behavior of underground water sources can also change before seismic events or volcanic eruptions. Fluctuations in water levels in wells or springs are a less obvious sign, but can still serve as a warning.